Israel belimela the voice of God. Hallelujah. Belimela the voice of God. Kwa Israel bekuna 12 yama tribe. Hallelujah. Uma behamba ehlane bebahamba above hundreds of thousands. In other words, if you were a leader, you needed to have the ability to coordinate. Hallelujah. Bewudinga ukukhuluma izwi elilodwa lizulwe abantu aba more than 100,000. Akusho ukuthi laba bantu bekumele bajwayele ukusebenza kwecilongo emanimthela namuhla akhonza. Kodwa we listen to many voices. Namuhla akhonza loko sathana bulabula odeka kazayi bazalwane. Izipho zimele ivoice kaJehova. Kumele khulume uNkulunkulu. And then it is finally ezimpilweni zethu. Noma kukhuluma usathane asithathi. Sithatha ekhulunywe uNkulunkulu.